Ooh, no escape. Ooh, I forgot about this game. Let's see what this game is. No escape, baby! Forgot I had this game. Alright, last game. Malicious fail. What does malicious mean? What do y'all chat? What does malicious mean? Probably means like good foul or something. Probably gotta run as admin. Yo, bro, what do be going on with these games, man? Oh, this one. I think I had to get that. Then it should work now. I'm pretty sure it should work. This malware is no joke. Continue. Ooh, I'm scared. Ooh. The fuck? Why is my PC restarting? The fuck? I ain't even do shit. Why is my PC restarting? My pen? The fuck? What the fuck just what? Yo, what? Hey! The password is death? Death. It's not the Bro, what's my password? It's death. It's not death. D-E-A-T-H. It's not death. I forgot my password. Yo, chat, what's my password? Reset password. What the fuck? I forgot my password. Chat, what's my password? Death in caps? Okay, okay. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. W, chat, for saying y'all remember my password. I love y'all boys, dog. I love y'all boys. Thank y'all. Let's get right. W chat, W chat. Spin off them W's. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Dub for me saying that. Yeah. Yo, why is it not? Yo, bro, is it glitch? I'm about to beat y'all ass, bro. The password is incorrect.